Good morning children, welcome back to our English class. So in the previous class we have started with our new chapter, a fair exchange. So what happened is a poor man was passing through the restaurant, and as he didn't have money to buy the soup, he had only a dry slice of bread. So as he was passing through the restaurant, he could feel the smell of the soup, that is the aroma. So what he thought, okay, as I don't have the money to at least buy the soup, at least I can feel the smell, that is the aroma. So what he has done, he kept the dry slice of bread over the hot soup, that is the steam. So he kept it on the steam of the soup. So suddenly what happened? Then the restaurant owner came out angrily. What he has asked, he told the poor man to pay the money for taking in the smell of the soup. So what the poor man said, sir, I don't have, I first of all, I didn't touch even a drop of your soup, and I didn't drink or touch your soup, and moreover, I don't have even the money to pay for the smell I have taken in. So we will now read and find out what happened next. Now the restaurant owner is saying, I don't care about that. You have used the steam from my soup without paying for it. I am going to take you to Mullah Nasiruddin right away and tell him that you are a thief. So now the restaurant owner is saying that I don't know all that. I don't know whether you have money or you don't have. But you have used the steam. Steam, what is it? Steam is the water vapor. When you boil water, the steam which comes out, the pogalu you say no, which comes out is the steam. So you have used my steam, so you have to pay for it, and I am going to take you to Mullah Nasiruddin. That is what we have. I told you in the previous class that he is a wise person, a humorous person, like earlier in Tenali Rama we had no same like that. He is a person in the Turkey, and he would solve the problems in a funny way. This person said that I will take you to Mullah Nasiruddin right away now, and I will tell him that you are a thief. What thief? The steam thief. So the restaurant owner drags the poor man to Judge Nasiruddin. Drags him means he takes him and goes to that person. Now the Nasiruddin, that is the judge, now he speaks. What is the problem? Then the restaurant owner says, this man came to my restaurant and held a slice of bread over a pot of steaming hot soup. When I asked him to pay, he refused, saying he is too poor. So the restaurant owner says the same problem, that he has used my steam without taking my permission, and now when I asked him to pay the money, he is saying that I don't have money. Now the poor man is speaking. Protesting means saying against, no sir, no, I didn't do anything. Protesting means that. Protesting, I did not drink the soup or even touch a drop of it. So why should I pay for this miser? Now the poor man is saying that even I didn't even touch or drink even a drop of the soup, then why should I pay to the miser? Now see, what is the meaning of miser? Miser means a greedy person. Greedy person means who don't even spend money. Even though they have money or anything, they don't share. So you should share with your friends who don't share anything, or even though they have money, they say that no, I don't have. So those are the greedy persons who don't spend money. Greedy. Okay, they are called the misers. Now the poor man said, even I didn't touch or drink even a drop, so why should I pay to this miser? Now Nasruddin thinks for a few moments. Then he takes out some coins from his pocket, holds them in the fist and jingles them noisily close to the restaurant owner's ears. Now Nasruddin, he thinks for a while. Then now he takes out some coins from his pockets, and what he does, he takes them into his fist. Fist means this one, this part. So he takes the coins and jingles them in front of the owner's ears. Jingles means he does make a sound like this near the ear of the owner. So to the restaurant owner's ears. So he makes a sound. Now see what is the meaning of jingle. Making a tinkling sound. Making a tinkling sound. Jingle means making a tinkling sound. So what this Nasruddin has done, he made a sound near the restaurant owner's ears. Now we will listen what he said. Now the restaurant owner is asking, what are you doing? Then Nasruddin he says, I am paying you. So what he said, I am paying you. Then but the restaurant owner doesn't understand why he is doing like that. Now we'll see what he has said. The restaurant owner again saying, paying me, but that was just the sound of coins. So this is called that tit for tat, because the poor man, he didn't even just drink even a drop of soup. Only the steam he has used, which will be simply going out. It doesn't cost anything. So only for that which is of no value, he said, he asked the poor man to pay money. So what this Nasruddin has did, so it is not a fair thing. Fair ante correct kaadu to ask money for it. So what Nasruddin has said, what he has done, he made a sound near ears. So what is happening? You can hear the coin sound, no? You can hear the coin sound. So he said, what he, as he didn't drink, you have asked him to pay. Now I made the sound. So you got the money, he said. Now Nasruddin is saying, the sound of coins is a fair exchange for the smell of the soup. So this is called tit for tat. What he has done? You said you asked him to pay for the soup which he didn't touch. Now even I have paid the money with the sound. You can hear the sound. You think that the money has come to your pocket. Go back to your restaurant and don't be so mean in future. So in this way, he teaches a lesson to the restaurant owner that he shall not be so mean, that is greedy. Okay children, I hope you understood, and with the next topic we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.